Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy vanilla ice cream. Begin by warming 2 cups cream and 1 cup whole milk with 3/4 cup sugar until warm, not boiling. Whisk in vanilla and optional egg yolks for a custard base, then cool completely in the fridge. Once chilled, churn in an ice cream maker or freeze with frequent stirring to achieve a smooth, scoopable texture. Choose custard if you want a decadent, velvety ice cream with deeper flavor from egg yolks, or choose no custard for a simpler, faster option that is still creamy. Temper eggs carefully when adding hot milk to avoid scrambling, and always strain the custard before cooling to remove any solids. For no custard, dissolve sugar fully and add high-fat cream to mimic richness, then chill thoroughly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers that keep toppings and scoops tidy and mess-free, perfect for sharing treats or packing single servings. They stack neatly in the freezer and save spills when transporting desserts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Churn the chilled base according to your machine's instructions until it reaches soft serve consistency, usually 20 to 30 minutes. For machine-free freezing, pour base into a shallow container and stir vigorously every 20 to 30 minutes to break up ice crystals until creamy. After churning or stirring, transfer to a lidded container and harden in the freezer for at least 2 hours for scoopable texture and improved flavor meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.